Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add fonts in Canva. So let's get started with. So if you want to add fonts in your Canva, then what you have to do is first of all open up your Canva application in your device. So if you haven't installed Canva in your device, then what you can do is just simply open up a browser, select any browser you like, and then search for Canva, and then tap on the first option that will open up your Canva application. So you just have to log in into your account, and after logging in, you will open up your Canva. And after opening up your Canva, now what you can do is to add new fonts. You just have to tap on this option, which is brand. So just tap on brand, and after tapping on brand, just scroll down and tap on go to brand kits. And after tapping on go to brand kit, now you have to tap on this brand kit. And after tapping on that, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you can find these fonts. So these are the fonts. So now to add new fonts, what you can do is just simply tap on add new, and after tapping on add new, now you can add new fonts from here. So to access this feature, you have to be a Canva Pro user. So if you are not a Canva Pro user, then you can't access this feature. So make sure that you are a Canva user, and after doing that, so just simply tap on add new and then select any one of the font that you want to add, and then you can add the font over here, and the font that you added in your Canva will be displayed over here. So that's it guys, this is how to add new fonts on Canva. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.